Hey guys, this is how to open Payoneer account in Ethiopia. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to payoneer.com, and from here just simply click on sign in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here guys, just simply go to the left side and click on sign up over here. And once you click on that, just simply select your Pioneer account type. So just simply select one of these. So let's say I'm going to go for freelance. And after that, just simply select your money that you receive monthly. I'm going to go for less than $5,000 and click on register. And after that, just simply fill up the form. So just simply provide your first name, last name, email address, and just simply re-enter it and your date of birth. And after that, just simply click on next. And now from here on the country, just simply click on it and just simply select Ethiopia. And after that, just simply provide your address over here. And now just simply provide the postal code as well. And after that, guys, just simply provide your mobile number. Just simply make sure you are on Ethiopia. But if you are in different phone number, you can just simply select your specific one and just simply provide your number. And after that, just simply click on send over here down below and a code will be sent to your phone. So just simply check your phone text. So guys, just simply provide the code and after that, just simply click on next over here. And after that, from here, just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed, like your password, and re-enter your password and make sure to select a security question. So this will be depending on you. So if you forgot your account, it will ask you this question and make sure you have the right security answer and make sure to provide the issuing country ID as well and the ID type and just simply provide the ID number that you have and the date issue and the expiration. And once you have provided everything, just simply click on next. And after that, just simply add your bank account in order for you to create your account. And after that, just simply click on this 2-1 and just simply click on submit and you should be able to create an account. And there you go. See ya.